Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make money online as a beginner. What I want to do in this video is show you a marketing system, a funnel system that you can use to promote multiple streams of income. Okay, it does all the selling and telling for you so you don't have to. So on my screen here is the dashboard, the back office for the multiple income funnel. And again, this is designed to do the selling and telling of 4 different income streams inside this system, and all you have to do is promote one affiliate link. Okay, so there are 4 simple steps to this system. Step 1, all you have to do is watch this 3-minute video and join our private Facebook group, and I'll show you that in a couple of minutes. Step 2 is where you set up your income streams. These income streams are completely optional. You can pick and choose whichever income streams you want to join, or you can join all 4, or you could just stick with promoting the multiple income funnel itself, which is income stream 1. Now, the price for the multiple income funnel is $49 per month, and again, what you're getting for that $49 per month is an entire full-fledged marketing system that provides the affiliate links for you, the web pages, the sales pages, the lead capture pages. It keeps track of your leads and the people who join you in multiple income funnel. It provides the traffic. Traffic is just getting people to see your offer. It has the leaderboard. It has resources back here, email swipes, banners that you can use on websites and blogs, certain images you can use for social media like Instagram and Facebook. And they also have live training every week. Every Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they have a live training call on Zoom. They also have a live daily wake-up call Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time inside of the private Facebook group. Okay, and there's other additional training to help you get set up, get started with your business as quickly as possible. Okay, and you can keep track of your commissions right here under My Business. Now, under step 2, after you've joined the Facebook group in step 1, you go to step 2 to set up your income streams, whichever ones you want to choose. You just watch the video, and it'll give you a simplified explanation for each one of these income streams, and then you decide whether you want to join them or not. Okay, after you've set up your income streams, you want to go to step 3, which is to set up your e-wallets. Okay, there are 2 e-wallets that you need to set up. The first one is for the funnel system itself, and the second e-wallet is for income stream number 4 if you decide to join that one. Alright, so you'll need 2 separate e-wallets because they're 2 separate systems. So this 3-minute video will show you how to set up those e-wallets. Once you've done that, you want to go to step 4, which is the back office tour video. This is a 10-minute video that goes over all of these links and what's back here, and also how to start promoting your affiliate link, driving traffic to your affiliate link in order to generate leads and sales. Okay, so after you watch the video, you click here, start promoting. It'll take you to your links. Alright, so I'm not going to go over the entire system itself because I have more detailed videos on my channel that goes through all of that. So if you want to see that, just click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the information that I've given you already, and also click the notification bell next to the subscribe button in case you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video. Now, if this is something that you may be interested in, you can go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area to get more information about how this funnel system works. But one more thing I want to show you is our Facebook group and some of the results people are getting with this system. But let me give you this disclaimer first. Any income claims presented are not intended to serve as a guarantee of income. Instead, they're designed to give you an idea of what's possible. Success in this business requires hard work. So there is some work that you have to do in this business if you want to succeed. And that work is to continuously drive traffic to your affiliate link. The more traffic you drive to your affiliate link, the more leads you'll get. The more leads you get, that increases the chances of you making sales. Okay, so that's the process. So you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link on a continuous basis. You have to be consistent in doing that if you want to be successful. So let's see some of the results. I'm not going to show you too many. Excuse me. I'm not going to show you too many because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so right here, this person, just an hour ago, Jeffrey, he posted his results. He got 4 sales today, starting at 3 a.m. this morning. 4 monthly residual commissions for the first income stream, which is the funnel system itself. So he's going to get these $20 monthly residual commissions for as long as these people stay with multiple income funnel. Okay. This person is welcoming a new member to the multiple income funnel. This person is showing the leads that they're getting in their back office. This person made a $20 monthly residual commission. This person is also showing the leads that they're getting. This person is showing, we have a contest, if you saw here on my screen here. Let me go back to it. We got this $50,000 90-day accelerator contest going on. And they're showing that they're number 264 on the leaderboard right now for it. I think I'm at number 96 or 97. So I'm in the top 100 of this, okay? And it's very easy to win free traffic with this, with their contest that they have going on here. Okay, so here another $20 monthly residual commission for Albert. This person, Jeff, he received a $250 commission for income stream number 2. Kelly received a monthly residual commission for the first income stream, $20. And Maria received a $250 commission for income stream number 2 as well. Okay, and this is a $20 monthly residual commission. And Catherine here had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people sign up with her in multiple income funnels. So that's $100 she's made today. And these are monthly residual commissions. So she'll receive those commissions every month for as long as those people stay with the multiple income funnel. So that's all I wanted to show you regarding this. In order to get more information about this system and how it works, click the very first link below this video in the description area. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make money online as a beginner. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.